Hey, what's up everyone? It's your good friend Eric Thompson. In this video, I'm going to show you why you are burnt out as a realtor and what to do about it so that you stop feeling burnout. Hey, if it's your first time here to the channel, welcome. Welcome to the channel. Hit that red button that says subscribe so that you get more helpful videos like this one. If it does turn out that you like it, please like it. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, now let's dive in. I want to help you out. So, are you experiencing burnout? I get this a lot. I hear this a lot in my travels as I interact with my realtor friends from far and wide. People that I meet for the first time, people that I've known for a while. A common theme that's coming up is burnout. I don't like it when my realtor friends are burnout, so I want to help you with that. I'm going to show you why you are burnout, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so let's go. Let's look at the 4 reasons why you're feeling some version of burnout, and then we're going to look at 4 solutions on what you can do to fix it, okay? So, reason number 1, you will not argue with this. This will make sense. The first reason is you're working too much, okay? So, duh, if you're feeling burnout, it's probably because you're putting in too many hours. You know, you can only work so much, right? There's only so much energy in the tank. Even the most elite athletes in the world need to rest. So there's too much work, not enough rest, not enough fun stuff, not enough things in your schedule that refill your energy tank. You're working too much, okay? Second thing that happens that makes you feel burnout is you are worrying. And really what that is, that's your brain working too much, right? Your brain is just spinning its wheels, working overtime on all the things that your brain thinks it should be worried about. Okay, the economy, the market, interest rates, what this person is doing, what that person is doing, what this person is not doing, what that person should be doing. You're spending a lot of time worrying. Of course, that's going to lead to burnout as your wheels are turning, as your wheels are spinning around that, okay? Reason number 3, my friends, is people. There are people in your life keeping you up at night, okay? People who are not nice, people who are not respectful, people who are not doing the things that you wish that they would do. You have people in your life who are bringing you down, all right? So these are the naysayers, these are the Debbie Downers and the Doug Downers, right? The people who only have negative things to say, who think the world is falling apart, who think the sky is falling. These people are bringing you down. These people make you feel burnout, okay? So then reason number 4, you are spending a whole lot of time playing defense. You know what defense is? Playing defense is working on someone else's agenda. Right, so when you're spending an overabundant amount of time playing defense, working on other people's agenda, not on your agenda, that can cause burnout, right? Because you're really frustrated by that because you're not making progress. So are you with me? If you're experiencing burnout, it's one of or all of these 4 things going on, right? You're working too much. You're spending a lot of time worrying. You're surrounded by the wrong people who are bringing you down. You're spending way too much time playing defense. What are we gonna do about this, my friends? Let me give you some simple solutions, okay? So, first one is a hack that I have discovered for working too much is, you know what? You schedule the fun stuff first, all right? So when you map out your week, when you get ready for your week on a Sunday evening or Monday morning, when you're getting all your time blocks in, getting things all game planned, all ready to go, you put the fun stuff in your schedule first, okay? So the fun things go in my schedule first, so time with my family, time to exercise, time to get outside, those kind of fun things, time with my friends, those go in my schedule first. Everything else gets built around that, all right? So I build a framework for my schedule with the fun stuff, right? So do that. If you're not spending enough time with fun stuff, put that in your schedule first to make sure that it happens, right? So that's not like, oh, by the way, or I hope I get around to it. No, you made it a priority. The fun stuff goes in there first. The solution for worrying, my friends, get in motion, all right? Get yourself in motion. So instead of your wheels spinning and all the things that you should be worried about, instead of that motion, get your body in motion, all right? Get your mouth in motion and go talk to people, go talk to clients. Get on the phone, get your fingers in motion and start texting clients, start typing an email to clients, start writing some content, post a really valuable social media post, get out and about, go exercise, right? Go network, go connect, go do something, just get in motion. When you're just stopped and frozen, and the only thing that's worrying are your worry wheels in your mind, that's gonna lead to a whole lot of burnout, okay? So that's the second solution. Solution number 3 for the wrong people is learn how to say no thank you. All right, just learn how to say no thank you. So when you're around the person who's bringing you down, who only has negative things to say, who thinks that the sky is falling, either out loud or in your head, just say, you know what? No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm not gonna engage with this. I'm not gonna get hooked by this. I'm gonna go choose to be around other people who are much more realistic and pragmatic. I wanna be around people who are in motion. I'm not gonna be around people who are worried. I'm gonna say no, thank you to the people who don't align with what I want to do in my life. Just say no thank you, right? So say it with a smile on your face. You don't even have to say it out loud. You can just excuse yourself, but in your mind, you're saying, you know what? No thank you to that, all right? So that's solution number 3. Solution number 4, you could probably guess, play offense, all right? Start playing offense. Offense is when you work on your agenda. So make sure you have time blocked out in your schedule to work on your agenda, because the thing about offense is you must proactively create it, because defense shows up automatically, right? So defense is going to show up automatically in your life. You don't have to do a thing to invite defense into your life. It's just going to show up, right? Hey, do you got a minute? Hey, do you have a second? Hey, I need your help. I need you to do this, do that, right? Business life, personal life, defense shows up. So you must proactively create the offense. And it's when you play offense, that's when you feel like you're making progress. It feels so good. It gets you out of feeling like you're burnt out. So again, get fun scheduled in your calendar first, all right? That's a priority. Build everything else around that. Get yourself in motion. If you find yourself worrying, just get out there and get yourself in motion, all right? Start connecting, start talking to people. Say no thank you to the people who are bringing you down, the people who make you feel burnout. Start playing offense. Be intentional and proactive about your offense, knowing that defense is going to show up automatically. Hey, I hope this was helpful. Again, subscribe, red button, thumbs up, like if you liked it. That helps me out. I hope this video helped you out. I can't wait to see you in the next one.